Have you ever had a brilliant idea but lacked the funds? You're not alone. Many people struggle to find financial support for their projects. Today, we'll uncover the essential steps to secure funding through grant writing. Understanding grant writing is vital. It's a structured way to request funds from organizations. Grants help transform ideas into reality, whether for nonprofits or personal projects. Let's explore the steps to write a compelling grant proposal. First, research potential grants. Look for organizations that align with your project's mission. This ensures your proposal matches their interests. Create a list of these potential funders. Next, define your project clearly. What do you aim to achieve? Specify your goals and the target audience. A well-defined project grabs attention and showcases your vision. Then, craft a compelling narrative. Tell your story passionately. Explain the problem your project addresses and why it matters. Connect emotionally with the readers. Make them feel your urgency. After that, outline a budget. This shows funders you planned wisely. Include all possible expenses. Be transparent and realistic. A detailed budget builds trust with potential funders. Next, create a timeline. Show how you'll implement your project step by step. This reassures funders that you'll effectively use the funds. A well-thought-out timeline demonstrates your commitment. Now, let's fill out the application. Follow instructions precisely. Each grant has specific requirements. Ensure you include everything they ask for. Missed details can cost you the grant. Lastly, proofread and revise your application. A polished proposal reflects professionalism. Ask for feedback from colleagues or mentors. Fresh eyes can catch mistakes you might miss. Here's a quick example. Imagine you want to start a community garden. Research potential grants focused on urban agriculture. Define your project purpose and budget clearly. Write a compelling narrative about community impact and benefits. Lastly, submit your application with confidence. In summary, grant writing involves research, defining your project, crafting a narrative, budgeting, creating a timeline, and careful application. Follow these steps, and you'll increase your chances of receiving funding. Are you ready to turn your passion project into reality? Begin your journey today by discovering our range of affordable, high-quality courses at trainingq.com. Subscribe for more tips, and share your project ideas in the comments.